Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Realme phone is on, unlocked, and has enough battery to avoid interruptions. Open Settings and go straight to Notifications or Apps. Realme labels differ by update. Once you find the list, scroll to Phone Manager or Security. This is the source of the persistent alert. Tap to open its app info now, because the next actions change how the system treats its notifications and background behavior. You're in the app info. Select Notifications and inspect each channel the Phone Manager offers. Turn off the specific channel that posts the persistent notification rather than killing all alerts. This preserves important warnings. Next, disable any priority or persistent flags so the notification won't pin itself. Also check permissions or battery settings and revoke auto start or background launch for the app. Once you've adjusted channels and background rights, force stop the Phone Manager and clear its cache to remove the current notification. This flushes the running process. Reboot your phone to verify the alert stays away. If it comes back, make sure System and Phone Manager are updated, or consider disabling the app if updates fail. Backup data first. If disabling breaks features, re-enable and reapply only the specific notification channel. Changes as a fallback solution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.